How to fold and unfold a Trifold Pikes edition. To fold, release the rear frame clip. Raise the bike to allow rear wheel swing under the frame. Remember, right pedal is always at the back position. Unscrew hinge and move front wheel backwards. Hook onto the frame. Unscrew hinge and drop the handlebar. Attach catch ball onto catcher. Undo lever to lower the seat post. Pedals are foldable too. To unfold, pull out handlebar from the catcher, lock the hinge, undo lever to raise the seat post. Unhook and move front wheel forward. Lock the hinge. Swing rear wheel to the back, like this. The end.